feel like it's just been raining for the last 48 hours straight. Definitely packing today. And it has to happen today because I fly out at 6 AM tomorrow, so. Do you want to race? Ready? On your marks, get set, go! Come on! Who's the best girl? Hey, Vicky? Are you the best? You're the best girl. For those of you, and I don't think I've ever mentioned this before, this little smoochie was a foster dog. She was a foster dog who had heartworm, and we had to have her for 3 months. And in the end, I couldn't take her back. It would have broken my heart, and I would have continuously thought about her and where she ended up. I'm obsessed with her. I just love her to bits, and when I travel, it hurts me so much to leave her. Is anyone else this obsessed with their dogs, or is it just me? Just finished my workout, going to jump on the treadmill, but I just need to start a list for today so I don't forget anything. There's a whole bunch of stuff I need to get done for work, personal stuff, for the rental inspection tomorrow, and I need to pack and I can't forget anything. I need to wax, dye eyebrows, put in protein, coffee, wet weather gear, pack for Vegas, flights and the comm. Let's jump on the treadmill. Okay, I'm gonna pack. I've given myself 15 minutes. I'm going to warm up my coffee, drink my coffee while I pack. All right, we've got our trusty July bags. I'm going to take the middle size one. Okay, you're gonna have to forgive how messy everything looks. All right, so we've got jeans. 3 pairs of jeans plus the ones that I'm wearing. Looks like Vicky's having an internal meltdown right now. Yes. Oh my gosh, this weather. I'm going to take this jumper as well. Rain jackets, leather gear. This is my rain boots. Because I'm taking my wet weather gear, this is pretty much going to guarantee that it won't rain. Okay, this is the theory. Multivitamins, protein shaker, magnesium powder, protein powder, soy milk. We all know I need this stuff. Oh my gosh. I've been looking for both of these weather jackets and they were up there together. My new Amazon hat. How does that look? It's a big one. It's a big Amazon hat. I look very, very chic. Aqualites, washing powder, bin. I can see it there like that. Coffee plunger, water bottle, collagen, super greens. So this is the moisturiser we're using, and with these great containers you can just take off the end and just fill them up. So in here we have the makeup stuff, and I can't find the little labels for these. Oh, I'm gonna dye my eyebrows there. Taking some hair care products as well. If you know, you know. Shirts on hangers with singlets. This is going to be hard to close without a doubt. It's chockers. It's chockers and it's heavy. You gonna miss your mum? You gonna miss your mum? You are a smelly girl. You are a smelly girl. The best girl. And I need to put shoes in here. And shoes. I'm going to leave this open for now because I am expecting, like I said, some packages. Might be getting some new jeans. Good old Black Friday sales. Now, I didn't even touch my coffee that whole time. It's you. Mummy's gonna miss you. Sydney and then off to Canberra. Got a connecting flight. Here we go.